Hi, it's Mandy here. I'm going to be showing you how to do the lattice part on the scrapbooking page. For this, these are the pieces that you will have in your kits. They're using the large and the medium rectangle thin cuts, and then we've also used the bit that's in between them as well. So that's the bit that's in between, that's this one, and these ones are this. So what you're going to need for this project is all of these ones and 2 of these ones. So we can remove all the others because they're going to be used in other places on the scrapbook layout. So we'll just put those aside. And with these ones, we want to keep 2 complete. So I'll just leave those up there so that we don't accidentally cut them. And then all I'm going to do is cut across here, and we do need to cut it this way because it needs to fit across that. So please don't cut it that way. You need to cut it this way. So cut that one there and that one there, and then same on this end. Okay, and then the same with this one. Just as so. So then we're going to put those pieces aside for a sec. And then with these ones, doesn't matter which way you cut it. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. So there's 1. 2. There we go. And then this one as well. A second. We might actually only need to use one of those. Hang on, I can't remember my instructions. So I'll just look at something. So just hang on a second. Sorry about this, guys. Sorry, it is 1 large frame, not 2. So I only need 1 of the large frames. That's what I thought. I mucked that up. I do apologise. So it's all 4 of those frames and 1 large. Okay, then you're going to get one of these ones, the whole ones, and flip it over. So you're actually looking at the back side. It's easy to tell because it's the lumpy side. So turn it over, then get your adhesive and go around all 4 sides. Okay, just make sure I've got rid of the glue that's on there. Okay, then what I did, so it is sticky, get the smallest pieces, so these ones. And we're going to put 5 of them across. Okay, so I found roughly the middle. So that's about the middle. And stick it down. And then evenly on this side. As evenly as you can. So there, and then 2 more on the other side. So, oh, that's not quite straight there. So I just used my eye. And then a short one of these. Oops, my fingers are stuck. And then like that. To just push them down a little bit on the edges to try and make sure they stick a little bit. And then this is the fun bit. So then you're going to get the longer pieces and you're going to go under and over. So they will stick a little bit, and do it really carefully. Whoops, that one has unstuck. And again, I roughly put that in the middle. So there, and push that down a little bit. Then we're going to get another long piece. And this time, still from that same side, but we're actually going to make sure we go over. Now we don't want to go under this edge because otherwise it will be seen later. So you can see there, and in that way that will stick down on the edges. Stick those down along, and then we're going to do that again down here. So again, go over and under. I don't know if you can see that. And then we're going to stick that down. So just even it up. And when you're happy with where it's going to be, then we just stick it down. Excuse my children in the background. Then what we need to do is I've actually just left it like that at the moment. So you can see that it's been woven in and out. Okay. But we still need these edges here, this one and this one, to be on top. So we don't want to actually put that underneath, otherwise it'll show through. Okay, so we've got those there. And then again, going around all four sides of this, because this one is going to go over the top and seal all those edges in. Oops. So stick that down on the frame, just like so. So all the edges are on the inside, and then we just trim these edges off. And you'll notice, oops, hang on a second. You'll notice that on this side, I've got all the bumpy bits. So when I actually put this down, I'm actually going to use that side on my page. So there you go. That's how I did the lattice. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.